remember our last video where we talked about rosin and we asked you guys, do you want us to make a rosin vape? Well, we got hundreds of comments saying, yeah, please. So we did it. Boom. First, let's do a little recap on rosin. Nailed it. 1, solventless extraction, meaning made using only heat and pressure, no chemical solvents like butane and propane. This appeals to customers who want a cleaner product. Many users feel better knowing exactly how it's made, since rosin requires no post-processing or purging. 3, flavor and terpene preservation, especially when made from fresh frozen or live rosin. The terpene profile can be very expressive, with a natural flavor that some say feels more true to plant than hydrocarbon extracts. Back to the comments of the previous video. We got over 700 comments and a whole lot of people saying, we want rosin vapes, we want rosin vapes. And so we said, yeah, honey. She is a Rosin Disposable Vape. It's a dab experience in your pocket. One of the downsides of rosin can be the price, especially when you're dabbing, but these little puppies are only $15. Come on, $15, that's crazy. Here's the kicker. We're launching with 2 different strains. One sativa, one indica. Here she is, cutie little packaging. Should I open her up? Now let's make this the second most commented video, and they are available right now. Run!